Hey guys, it's Jessie. So many times a pattern will ask you to make a slip stitch, and you might be wondering what that is if you're just starting out in crochet. So today I'm going to show you how to do a slip stitch. So I've gone ahead and made a swatch of single crochet. Now the slip stitch is a little bit smaller than a single crochet, and sometimes when you're following a pattern it'll ask you to make a slip stitch, or it might have you join two pieces of crochet work together with a slip stitch. So I'm going to show you how to do that slip stitch. And what you'd want to do is take your hook and place it in the chain or under the chain, yarn over, pull that through and pull it through the loop that's on your hook. Now we'll do that again. So we'll go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, and then we're going to pull it through the loop that's already on our hook. Put our hook through, yarn over, and pull through the loop on our hook. Let's try that again. Feel free to rewind if you need to try it again. And I'm also going to leave a link in the description below with a playlist of some of the other stitches that I have on my channel for beginners. Or if you've been crocheting for a while but you want to remember, how do you do a half double crochet, a double crochet? I'm going to also be adding more stitches as we go along. So that's how you do the slip stitch. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please give me a like below. I would really appreciate it. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please do. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.